Well, guess who's just had a massive argument with the missus because I've lost the lad's lunchbox. Now been demanded out of the house to go and get a new one. Look at the state of them. A tenner? Not doing it, I'll get bullied with one of them. And by bullied, I don't mean by like someone at school, I mean by like I'll bully him for it. That's how bad they are. There's only really one other place I can try, but I'll be honest, I'm not confident. I don't know. I don't know if they even sell lunchboxes. Look at this. £4? £4? Yes, mate. She'll hate me anyway.
It's been ages. I said you should go and get a lunchbox, and you've been nearly an hour. Where have you been?
I went down, I did as I was told. You told me to go.
What is that? You want me to walk around with a toolbox? You have bought a toolbox as a...
It's more like an accessory.
With a toolbox? Are you joking? I should have just gone to get it myself.
They were a tenner down there. That was £4. It's fine.
Right, you go and show me how fine it is then.
Fine, no problem. Right. Open it. Yes. Yeah, you know. It's like a buffet. It's like a buffet lunchbox.
Oh God! I'm gonna walk around with this. I hate you.
Turn it over.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Look at his face. Alright, I'll take it back. But still, I've got to walk around with it.
We'll pimp it or whatever. We'll like put some, I don't know. I don't know, I'll put some glitter on it or whatever you want so it looks good in Coffee Club.
So, you're such an idiot.